What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure you drop a like, a comment, and subscribe. I think 95% of you guys are not subscribed. The last video on this truck went absolutely nuts, so we're gonna talk a little bit more about it, get more into the weeds on my 2026 Silverado 1500 RST diesel. But today we're gonna jump away from the motor conversation we had in the last video and really talk about the changes we're making to the truck, what's coming, and some of the new stuff we're putting on it right now. If you don't know about the truck or about me so far, the truck right now is running on a rough country leveling kit, 2 inches, boost auto amber LED upgrade, boost auto LED upgrades for the tails, for the reverse lights, and for the tag lights, and then custom interior leather seat covers in here as well. But today we're actually going to modify a little bit more of that in interior, and that's going to be to keep my son away from absolutely destroying my truck. So I have a 3-year-old toddler. So essentially what that means is anything he touches with his hands or puts in his mouth, once he's done with it, will end up on the floor of the car when you're in the vehicle or all over the seats. That's why we have leather seats. But how do we protect the floor? Now this truck, if you have anything between the 2019 to 2026, I assume we all have the factory all-weather mats. Let's just say they are the worst all-weather mats I've ever experienced in my life in this vehicle. There's absolutely nothing that can come by it without it showing an imprint of your shoe or whatever is dropped on it. It just always looks constantly dirty. But today we have a partner that's going to change that, and they're called Lasfit. If you haven't heard of Lasfit before, they've actually been in the market for a while, because I know I have bought from them in the past for my 2017 Silverado, and actually my 09 Z06 has it, but it's been more in the LED game. They had LED lights for, you know, your brake lights, for your reverse lights, basically any bulb you wanted, they sold an LED version. And in the past, I bought them without working with them at all, just because I saw the good reviews, and putting them on my vehicle, they were second to none on how bright they were. But we're not talking about the LEDs today. They are still on my 09 Z06, and whoever's driving around my 2017 Silverado is taking advantage of those beautiful LEDs. But it's more so their new liners. Now their liners are designed and cut to fit the vehicle that you purchased them for. So in my case, 2026 Chevy Silverado 1500, center console vehicle, etc., etc. You need to make sure that you go through those settings when you do so. The benefits of it is you're going from a single floor mat option, which is just around the actual position of your standard floor mat seating area, into something that's going to cover the wide area. So the entire driver cockpit area, the passenger seat, and the rear area is completely covered in, I guess you would say, a rubber or a plastic type of structure. What this allows is, obviously, in my case, my 3-year-old toddler can throw and drop anything he needs to throw or drop, and it essentially won't get stuck to my rug. It won't be a mission to vacuum, because I can sweep it, I can wet it, I can pull it back out, clean it, I can wipe it down, you know, spray it, keep it a nice fresh look. So you're not worried about moisture getting in the carpet, you're not worried about staining the carpet, all those things. So it really protects the vehicle. So we've gone ahead and installed them already. They are a very simple install. I'm going to walk through some of the steps. I'm not going to go through the details of it because your vehicle may vary and stuff like that, but I will walk you through just basically lifting some of the plastics to get them into place. They fit very well. Now, if you have certain situations in your vehicle, like for example, I have a rough country under storage, I guess you would call it, for my back seat. That's not a factory option. It's an aftermarket under storage. So its dimensions are not exactly OEM. So there's areas there where you have to manipulate a little bit. So again, proceed with it with caution, move it around, but it is very flexible in the sense that it is designed to fit the vehicle, and if you need to do some light trimming or anything like that, it cuts very easily with a blade and stuff like that. I didn't have to do any trimming, but I did want to mention that because I do know with some of the under compartment boxes, depending on what brand you use and stuff like that, there might be variances there that might cause a little bit of a hiccup. Now you'll see from the design, they do have the factory input section. So right here, where you would pin your factory one in there and lock the carpet from moving, they do have that same exact option here as well. You can tell I've already been using these. These are dirty, but I can easily sweep them out, vacuum them with ease, wipe them down, and they are brand new. they do have to go under this plastic. So you do have to lift this plastic. Just be gentle and patient with it, and you won't break any clips. Pull this up and place them down. Same thing's going to be on the passenger side, and same thing in the rear compartment. Now, before we wrap on this, I do want to say a special thanks to Lasfit for sending me this product. They did not, though they did send me the product, it did not ask whether I put a positive or negative review or anything like that. They did not coach into what I needed to say that I had full creative freedom on. But I do have a product code for you guys, a promo code to save you some bucks when you buy this. It's already a far more competitively priced than going the OEM route and trying to buy the OEM liners. And obviously you have other brands that have them. Husky and a bunch of other brands have their own variation of these. I think the Lasfit ones are nice. The branding is clean. It's not overly done. It's not over AutoZone-y. It looks very, very nice. Nice aggressive grooves for grip. And the fact that it is cut perfectly to size, and it has the factory pinning option, so there's not movement and not forcing the plastics that are designed to kind of pin it in place because they are floating. It really helps with stability feeling when you're putting your feet down on them. So that's a very nice quirk to them. They still had that feature in it. And obviously the protection of it, you're gonna get just because of the nature of how they're built. Very flexible. They're not bulgy or anything like that. So really, really happy to have them in my truck. Highly recommend them for anyone that's in our trucks now, or also go on their site. I will link everything in the description. You will see the product code on there. Make sure you use that to save you some money. But you can also check and see if they have them available for your trucks. I'm sure they make them for Rams. They make them for Fords, everything else. But again, if you've made it this far in the video, make sure you like and subscribe. I believe 96% of you that watch my videos are not subscribed yet. It just helps the channel, helps me make more videos, keeps the content flowing. So if I don't see you in the next one, peace.